Okay, given the equation 2 raised to power s equals to 32. So we already know that this side of the equation, which is the left hand side of the equation, is in base 2. So we need to make them to be of the same basis, which is 2, because we're already having base 2 here. That is why we make this one to also be in base 2. How do you do that? You know that what we do is we find how many times 2 will multiply itself to give it what? 32, which means we say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, then times 2. That is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is what? 16, 16 times 2 is what? 32. Do you understand? So it means that 2 multiply itself 5 times for it to be what? 32. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means we now represent it as 2 raised to power what? 5. This shows how many times 2 multiply itself to give us 32. That is 2 exponent 5, or 2 raised to power 5 to give us what? 32. So what do? We now transform this to be what? This, so that they will be in the same base. So what do you do now? Say solution. So we're already having 2 raised to power s equals to 32. Making both sides of the equation, to be in the same base, which is 2. So if we do that now, we are going to have 2 raised to power x is equals to this. We got it as 2 raised to power 5. So now you can see that they are already in the same base. So 2 now can go against 2. So if you do that now, you're going to have s is equals to what? 5, which is what we are looking for. That's how to solve this type of equation.